Okay, so in these industrial plants, a lot of the times we're painting with a food grade epoxy. Now, this is a food grade epoxy that's called Aquapon. It's a really good product. However, the hand sanitizer would dissolve it. So what we did was we put this part in here, we marked it out, and we repainted this right after the job was done. It wasn't a month, it was failing. And we put Acrylon on here. It's a 2-component urethane. And you can really see the difference in the fade and the way this looks. This was done in 2020 when the world was shut down. We came in and painted and did all kinds of work inside of this plant. And here it is 6 years later. Both products are holding up well, but you can definitely see the difference how this fades and this doesn't. That's because urethane is definitely a superior system. We had to grind off all kinds of things because they had the maintenance people in this plant doing the maintenance painting, and the stuff they used to clean, it would rip the paint right off. So it's really important to use specialty coatings and to prep the surface right so that you don't have failures. And that's what we did here. And if you turn around, you can look at this oven here. We just painted this oven again. This is the first time we've touched it and repainted this oven in 6 years. Again, this was all done with Acrylon. They asked us to touch it up, so we kind of went a little bit further. We basically repainted 90% of it, but we like to make sure that things look right and they're going to last.